aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ay Filipino, 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 Filipino.
Alright, welcome to another Cooking with Culture. And I have my cousin Jasmine here. Make sure you guys follow her.
I don't have a YouTube.
Oh no, but Instagram, her socials are right there. But we're gonna make a very popular dish called lumpia. And what is lumpia?
Lumpia is pretty much an egg roll. It's one of the staple dishes here in the Philippines that everybody can really enjoy.
Yeah. So if you've never had like a Filipino egg roll, it's called
missing
lumpia.
out.
And we're about to show you guys how to make it. All the ingredients to making lumpia.
So a lot of people like to make it different ways, but we're gonna keep it real basic, real simple for you guys. So what we're gonna start off with, I mean, you can use ground beef, pork, but we're gonna use some ground turkey today. Ground turkey, and then we got the Holy Trinity. We got onions, garlic, and carrot. And then a lot of people like to add green onions, but to the audience that we're feeding, they don't like green onions, so you can, it's optional.
And this is gonna be quick and easy. Quick
Yes.
and easy lumpia.
Super easy. Then you can use soy sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder. That's the basics for your basic lumpia.
Yeah.
I'm a lefty.
Everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yep. Okay.
It's dirty. Shit.
Is that easy?
Yeah, that easy.
Just comment below if you've ever made lumpia, or if your mother ever made you roll lumpia. How many lumpia can you roll in under 10 minutes? Comment that below too. Like, they should have a lumpia rolling competition.
Yes.
Oh my god, we should low-key do that for a video one day.
Okay, so
We're about to roll.
roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. So just think of it rolling it up as a little thing. You know what I'm saying? You in Detroit, you know. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take at least a tablespoon of your lumpia mix. Here, I'm gonna give you this. Take at least a tablespoon of that. Perfect. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create like a log. Not too close to the bottom, not too close to the middle, but like, yeah, there you go. Spread that out. Pause. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to take that bottom half, and you're going to flip it over, and you're going to tuck it in as tight as you can. And then you're going to roll it, roll it, so you get about halfway here. And then you're going to take your corners here, and you're just going to fold it in. Next, what you're going to do is take your egg wash, which is literally an egg in water, and spread it on here, and then tuck again, and then you're literally just going to just roll it up. Roll it up until you get perfect lumpia.
Mine's not so perfect.
Cooking up, they'll be rolling lumpia up like it's nothing, kikiing, ha-haing. That's how you know you was in a house full of love.
I swear.
I miss it. Okay.
An alternative to this, you guys, you could use a brush.
Yes, but we don't have a brush, so the OG fingers are gonna have to do.
Is this one good?
Oh yeah, you gotta make that tight. That looks good. Yes. Pause.
Don't kill me.
Yes.
Me too.
Is you're gonna spread it like a log. Make it longer.
This? Like this?
Yes, like that, Malin Aurora. Look at your sister. Look at your cousin.
I'm not your sister.
Whatever, look at your cousin.
Like this. I know how to
Okay,
do
just send it to me.
I'm just taking video pictures.
Like this.
I'm gonna do this for my YouTube,
Yep.
guys.
Do it longer. Longer though.
You gotta start them young. Gotta start them young when you roll a lumpia.
And then take your finger, spread it all.
A.
Good job.
Yes, A1, yup.
And then you're gonna roll it.
Clock that.
Perfect.
Let's do it. Clock that. We clocked the lumpia. Do it, Amira. She won't do it.
High five.
I don't like to do it.
All right. Hey there. Now that we got the lumpia all rolled, let's cook it. There you go. Let's get to cooking.
Let's get to frying it. Lumpia. Lumpia.
Hey. All right. So now that we got our heated.
We're frying chicken, by the way. Just frying chicken.
We got our heated oil right here. And all you gotta do is just drop that bitch in. Or drop it in.
Okay.
What happened here?
See the rose?
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god! Wow!
Lay it in there. All right. You know what? Content.
I'm about to flip the egg rolls. I'm about to flip the lumpia.
Okay, ready? Wait. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
I'm about to flip the lumpia. Oh my god, this one's coming apart.
It's okay.
Wait, I'm not
You didn't even flip it. You didn't even flip it. There we go.
I'm gonna grab this too. This one's thick.
Yeah, that's the one you made.
Oh.
Thick as hell. Perfect.
We did that. And what type of sauce is this?
This is sweet chili sauce. You can get that in any Asian Oriental market. You can get it at your local Walmart. You can get it anywhere.
Yeah. Okay, so while we do this, it's still gonna Filipino Lumpia.
First bite. Cheers.
Bah. So good, girl.